Hello students, our question is which of the following statements are true and which are false. So we have been given some statements. Let us read them one by one and answer which of them are true or false along with their reason. Fine. So first question, in A part it is given that 0 is the smallest natural number. But this statement is false. So I will be writing F for false and T for true. So 0 is not a natural number, as natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and it goes up to infinity. But 0 is not a natural number, it is a whole number. In B part, it is given 400 is the predecessor of 399. So predecessor of any number is that number minus 1. So predecessor of 399 would be 399 minus 1, that is 398. So 400 is the wrong answer. It is a successor. In C part it is given that 0 is the smallest whole number, as we discussed it in the first part only, that 0 is a whole number and whole number starts from 0 and then it goes to the positive integers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and infinity. Up to infinity will be our whole numbers. So 0 is the smallest whole number. Fine. Now it is given that 600 is the predecessor of 599. It is correct. 599 plus 1 is 600. Next we have all natural numbers are whole numbers. So as I told that whole numbers, let us write them as W. Whole numbers, this starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and natural number, let me denote it as N. It starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Fine. It is in the question asked that all natural numbers, they are whole numbers. So all the natural numbers, they are whole numbers. It is true. Fine. Next it is asked that all whole numbers are natural numbers, which is false because 0 is not a natural number. Fine. In G part, it is asked the predecessor of a two-digit number which is never a single-digit number. Predecessor of a two-digit number is never a single-digit number. And this question is false. Basically, we can take the example of 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, which is a single digit. So this is false. Fine. Now in the next part, 1 is the smallest whole number, which is false because 0 is the smallest whole number. Natural number, I part, natural number 1 has no predecessor, which is true actually, because 1, the predecessor of 1 will be 0, which is not a natural number. Fine. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. In the next question it is asked. So the whole number 1 has no predecessor is also false because it has a predecessor 0, which is a whole number. In K part, the whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12, which is incorrect because 13 lies after 11 and 12. So in the number line, when we move from left to right, first comes 11, then 12 on moving left to right. So it is also false. Fine. Next, whole number 0 has no predecessor, which is true. And why it is true? Because after going from 0 minus 1, we get minus 1. And minus 1 is not a whole number. Fine. Then M part, the successor of a two-digit number is always a two-digit number, which is not correct, which is false. Let us take the example of 99, which is a two-digit number, and its successor would be 99 plus 1, and it would be 100. So which would be a three-digit number. So this scenario is not possible. So we have answered all the questions here, and all the questions here use the concept of whole numbers and natural numbers and number system and the number line. Hope you understood this question. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.